Here's Johnny. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. So let's have a look through the stuff. Brush, first of all, got it here, and the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Badlands shaving, there you go, show you the kind. Absolutely love this brush. Badlands shaving, 24mm, I think it is, maybe 26, can't quite tell, maybe somewhere in the middle, but there you go. We'll say 26mm Badger shaving brush. I've got it in there. It's been in there for about 10 minutes, thanks to Bradley for the tip. I was having struggle getting it to let go of the lather, and he said try soaking it for a good 15 minutes. It's been in there for about 10 minutes, that's that. Razor of choice today, one of my all-time favourites. There you go, look at this, absolute beauty. Look, it's absolutely sensational. I love this. This is the Blackland Dart. Now, it came in polished. I had a choice, polished or machined. I chose machined because I like the industrial aesthetics and the machine marks and the cold hard steel look of it. That appeals to me. I like it a lot. And in there we're going to be putting, thanks to Daz McGuinness. Daz McGuinness sent me these Gillette Platinum blades. Daz McGuinness, along with a couple of other subscribers, sent me loads of samples. I am working through them, guys, if you've not seen me use them just yet. I tend to have plans. I tend to wait to match them up with aftershaves and sometimes balms, or you send me a sample and I'll buy a matching splash or so on. So if you've sent me a lot of samples of stuff and you've not seen me use them, don't lose heart. They are there and they will get used. Thank you. So here we go, Gillette Platinum. This one's going up late, guys. Just busy, you know. Things opening up, things getting back to normal. Just life kind of readjust now. Everything's absolutely 100% fully back to normal now. And to go from, in essence, doing virtually nothing to full-on life at 24,000 miles an hour, it takes some readjusting, doesn't it? There you go. We've got the Gillette Platinum in there, in there. We're gonna have a good shave today, guys. I got up early, went and got my hair cut. I tried to get it cut all week, but it just hasn't worked out. Okay, splash now. Brut Oceans. Brut released several different scents, didn't they? And I wasn't keen on any of them. And then I tried this. This is the Brut. You see it there, Brut Oceans. Now, if you can get this anywhere, guys, please let me know, because I've had this now for about 2, maybe 3 years, and I'm using it sparingly because it is phenomenal. If you haven't smelt this, Brut Oceans, I can smell it from here. Oh my word, it's just an absolute beautiful, sweet, fragrant, soapy cologne scent. Absolutely wonderful. So that's the splash. And like I said, if you know anywhere that's selling that, please let me know, because I can't find it anywhere. We're going to balm up with some Gillette balm. This is nice stuff. This is, to me, is very, very reminiscent of Aquavelva 5-in-1. Yeah, very reminiscent of that. And it all ties together to go with the soap. You've seen it in the thumbnail. Wickham's Cashmere. Wickham's 1912 Vegetal Shaving Soap. Cashmere. This was very kindly gifted to me from Mr. Wickham. Thank you. He sent me loads. I've used them all, but I don't use them enough. I'm going to get them out and start using them again, because this is just phenomenal quality. And you guys in the wet shaving community, you're absolutely astounding. Mr. Wickham's gave me tons of these. A full halves. He cut pucks in half and sent me about 8 or 9 halves. And I got in touch with Wickham's and I said, can you send me the pots for them? I'll pay for the pots so I can put them in the proper pots, and these stickers. And if you don't want to send me the pots, will you send me the stickers? They never answered. I don't know if they'd seen it. They didn't answer. But I happened to mention that in the video, and Mr. Wickham got in touch and he said, now several months on, I've used up mine, blah blah blah, I will send you the pots, and he sent me all the pots. What an absolute gentleman. Thank you very much. And if you're watching, Mr. Wickham, hope you're doing okay, you and your family. There you go. So that's what we're using. This soap, guys, to me, your mileage may vary, but to me this is very reminiscent of PAACK1 formula. Very reminiscent indeed. Oh, absolutely beautiful. It does smell fantastic. Actually, I've got the tablet down here. Wickham's will have a rundown. It says notes of basil leaf are woven into an elegant heart of white patchouli, underscored by dry oak moss. A calming, soft, comfortable shave comes to mind. Be warned, repetitive sniffing is likely to take place. That is true. This is an addictive scent. That is true. Honestly, guys, beautiful stuff. Top notes, bergamot, basil leaf, heart notes, white patchouli, base notes, oak moss. To me, a very light, very refreshing, cologne type fougere scent goes very well with that Brut Oceans. So, lots to talk about. Where are we in? 6 minutes in and I haven't even started shaving. There you go. Let's get on with it. Before we do, order of the day. Come on. Starbucks caramel flavoured coffee. Oh my word. Yeah. Here we go. Let's. That'll do. Keep water in there. And let's have a do. How are you all doing? This being a badger and this being a very hard soap. Let's see what we can do here. Careful, don't want any soap going in my coffee. Okay. There you go, we've got a lovely thick paste on there. Let's see what we can do. I don't have any trouble creating a lather with a badger. The trouble I tend to have is getting it to let it go. But yeah. So how are you all doing? Bit of tips. How are you all doing? What kind of week have you had? There was something I needed to talk about. Yeah, the prize draw. I haven't forgotten. I'll probably do it tomorrow. It's been a busy week. It's been a good week. But it's been a busy week. Oh, I'm so relaxed because it's Saturday morning. I just didn't have time to do it yesterday, guys. Saturday morning, so relaxed. I've come in here, my mind's still gone blank. Here we go. Wickham shaving soap. I absolutely love my Blackland dart. Oh. Especially when the top's screwed down all the way. Oh man. Have you used a Blackland dart? What do you think of Blackland razors? I think I paid £90 for this one, brand new. I bought it direct from Blackland. I'll be honest with you guys, dollars are cheaper than pounds if you live in the United Kingdom. Even with the exchange rate, even if your bank charges you for an exchange rate, and even with shipping, I find it cheaper to buy direct from the guys in America and have it flown over, which is what I've done with my Rex, and I've done it with this. That's just me personally. I think the Rex, when I was buying the Rex was something like £240 in the UK, but it was only something like $200 in the US. So even with shipping and taxes and postage and exchange rates and everything, I got, well, my daughter, because it was a gift, so I don't really like talking about price, but my daughter got it for £180 all in, you know, so just if you live in the UK, maybe just be aware of that. It's the reason I buy all my soaps from Doug direct. And the razor company. I've got an affiliate link for the razor company if you go there. A lot of people are talking about the brush I used in the last shave. what's going on here. A lot of people were talking about the brush I used in the last shave. That was from the razor company. It was a Noble Otter brush. And for the money, it's absolutely exceptional. Now, I've got an affiliate link. If you click on that link, all that link does is let them know that you went to them from this video. And if you then go on to buy something, I get a small commission. Helps a job. Oh, so yeah, check it out. Here we go. This brush is doing okay, isn't it? Badlands shaving brush, guys. I've got 2 of these. Check them out on Etsy. I've said it before, this one was bought as is, but the other one, I went to Melvin, I think he's called. Very, very responsive, got in touch with me straight away. I said, I love your brushes, Melvin, but I'm looking for one that looks like this, can you make it? 2 days later he came up with mine that's in there, and it's absolutely phenomenal, and I love it. Okay, these blades are very good. They are very, very good. If you've used these blades, let me know, because I've seen an odd comment on Facebook and so on, saying basically if it's got Gillette on it, it's rubbish. I don't know whether that was tongue in cheek. And I'll be honest with you guys, I've got several vintage Gillette blades. I'm not keen. I'm not keen at all, but the razor blades are phenomenal. The 7 o'clock range, these platinum, silver blues, Nassets, absolutely phenomenal. And I'm sure there's some I've left off as well. So let me know what you think. What do you think of Gillette's blades on razors? The razors are good, you know, they've stood the test of time, haven't they? It's just that things do move on, don't they, guys? And I've got to be honest, haven't found a Gillette razor yet, vintage or modern, that can hold a candle to this beauty. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love it. I get the line right there. I think my number 1, I think this is probably going to be my number 1 all time non-adjustable razor. Adjustable, without the doubt, it's the Progress. There's nothing for me, but I'm only speaking for me. There is absolutely nothing comes close to that. Well, actually, I tell a lie, there is. Mark from Friendship Shaving gave me a loan of his Gibbs razor. I'd never heard of it up until it came in the post. He was lending me his Razor Rock 84p because I was going to buy one. And you know, at the time, 80 or 90 pounds a lot of money. He said, I'll lend you mine. And he sent it through the post at his own expense. Thank you, Mark. And when he came, there was an original Gibbs razor in it. And I didn't know what to expect. And Mark sent me a razor. And he said, you can use it as a template to cut out because they're a different shape. So that's what I did. And I put it in. And I've got to be honest, guys, that razor is phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. Here we go. Lather mittens. So, it would probably be the Progress number 1 adjustable razor. But if I got to use the Gibbs on a regular basis, I'm not saying it would change, but it might do. So let me know what yours are. in the comments. Good day today. Nice, chilled out, relax. I've got nothing to do except practice my guitar. Oh my word. So I'm going to finish this shave, clean everything down, finish my coffee, and then I am going to chill. Oh. So let me know what you're going to do. Thanks for all your support, you guys, as well. I know I put up late last week. I like to upload at midnight, Friday night, Saturday morning, midnight. But I've not been able to do that because of work and commitments in private life. So I've been going up later, but do you know, you're still getting all the same views. You guys are phenomenal. There you go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Go on, I challenge you. I challenge you. Can you see her hair? Nothing. That's not PDS. That's not, I can't remember what the other one is. That's BBS. It's baby but smooth, boy. There you go. Honestly, I carry on with those American accents. I get a lot of Americans beating my door down. Here we go, Brut Oceans. I'll tell you once, guys. I watched a documentary once. You know, like, oh man. Whoa, wow. Just let me bask. Guys, seriously, if you can get your hands on this, do so. Absolutely love it. That will be put away now and used sparingly. Oh my word. And here we go. Gillette post-shave balm for healthy looking skin, shea butter and vitamin E. Yeah, watch this program. It's like a real true crime thing about these guys that got killed. And they're interviewing this old woman from Texas. And she goes, "We got a saying out here in Texas. He just needed taken out back and shooting." I was like, when's that ever a saying? Why is that? It was and the cameraman and the guy interviewing her and the old dear and the family, no one batted an eyelid. Me and Samantha and my wife were sat looking at each other like, I'm not going to Texas. Anyway, there you go. We did okay, didn't we, guys? Yous do okay every week. Yous look after me, your likes, your views, your comments, your subscriptions. I'm grateful to you all. Have a wonderful week and have a wonderful weekend. I will see you on Wednesday. And that's it. Look after yourselves, look after each other. And remember, the world needs more love. So what is it? Stand proud and say, I'm going to be the one to show it. Look after yourselves, guys. Bye.